why do we do offerings? What is the purpose making offerings to Buddha or the realized teachers? We need to accumulate more positive deeds. Like, as I said, the three things in Buddhism, the most important thing, to stop doing negative actions, to try to stop and doing less and less negative actions. And if you have done negative actions, then to try to purify them, regulate them, and kind of make a decision to not do them again or do less and less. Second is to cultivate wholesome actions, to do more and more wholesome actions, positive deeds. And then third is taming your mind, or working on your mind. So making offering is part of the doing, wholesome actions. Making offering, doing anything, good. Now, offering to the Buddhas, the Buddhas, maybe we don't see any Buddhas at this moment around us. So we can make, offerings to the Buddhas in our mind, in our heart, and that is also good, because this is, making a connection with the Buddhas, working on our own miserliness, our greed, our too much clinging and attachment to things, opening our heart and making offerings. And usually, we make certain, nice things to make offering, like flowers or incense or whatever pleasant, nice things we can make offerings. But also we can make offering, lots of everything that is nice and wonderful and great and good. We can create in our mind. We can think about them and make an offering. And we make offering not only to the Buddhas of the past, Buddhas of the past, Buddhas of the present, Buddhas of the future. We say, we make offerings to the Buddhas of the past, present, and future. And so therefore the Buddhas of the past is those who became Buddhas long since time beginning, and they are no longer seen here, but the Buddhas of the present is those Buddhas who are active, not maybe in this earth, but everywhere, anywhere, throughout the space, Buddhas of the present. Buddhas of the future is all the beings, actually not only like bodhisattvas and, good teachers and, people who are on the path, but also every being, because every being will eventually become a Buddha. So, all this. So actually when we say making offerings to the Buddhas, we say we make offerings to the Buddhas of 3 times, 10 directions. And sometimes we even say 4 times. Well, this is a little bit complicated, so I don't, The fourth time is that the time is the timeless time. So we make offering to all of them. So therefore, this is, making offering is, offering, we say, but it's a kind of giving. And that doesn't, that doesn't mean that we should not make offerings to people or to, we talk about 4 guests actually. The Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and enlightened beings, the guest of honor, or guest of respect, and then the protectors and things like that, the guest of quality, sometimes we call it, that would help us, that would help people. And then the guest of all sentient beings, the guest of compassion. And then the people, the beings who are, obstructing us and actually trying to do bad things to us, where we have to pay back our karmic debt. So these are the 4 guests, So we try to make offerings to all of these 4 guests. Whether it's a mind-created offering or something that we can actually give, and that would help some of them, like Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, maybe they don't need, but all the sentient beings, then they need, and we can, any kind of offering we can give, that is good. So that's the importance of doing, offerings. Thank you.